Ngeta jema ding onzu ki future perfect tense che perfect le ding onzu khare lega cha changwa chagyo le do shchag dwara ta future perfect nang khare la gor le na maung ba nang la lega chik cha dur le churwa lega ti go ta peche thanda chu im ba ine ya chare di maung ba nang chargar le chura ta thanda suppose I am making a video right now but if it takes me a whole day ani khare sangi ba do cha durwa thik eche dilla gorta ta dil adu sambo thangbo affirmative positive ke cha khaptu le de khandir lana choba khaptu le im baina re yin yu re du de ke cha im baina thangbo subject future ge helping verb the will shall nanging to will pheche che de ra will im bache perfect yin chang anju ge kharre perfect ge helping verb de kharle do has have had li dwara has have thing anju kharcha so present tense indu khuni ge past the had cha swara the has reda okay the future nang le khar lir lan have ani perfect hin sang khar chache ki ngodi perfect khatu im ba ine third form of li dwara tirwata will have le dingam dole korta helping verb ra ta chepa pote tenzen will have driven third form of verb car tenzen will have driven car sangi khar thuju te padola tenzen ki mota tang chare le jora tang chagre le di ke jo de chagorda ta they will drink coffee le de khar chagre they helping verb will perfect in sang have drunk chazigi ngosum ba drunk coffee they will have drunk coffee kunzo coffee tung chawa cha dure le jwa tung cha dure le jwa ra tadi maung pa le du sam yin jimi jingi tharing bu la go mar tora chutu sum gi jale yin ba ne antik de gyo ro jwa ra thende ro la gor ta but it should not be the thatarang chara ro go mar ta tis chik thadale tis chik pha yang ner ta they will have drunk coffee when I get there nga pha le du sam go coffee tung cha gre le jwa ra ti ke jirta tadi ke the negative nang la na mare le yin ba ne khandi la gore helping verb ki jablo la not thine have third form of verb ra tenzin will not kaksiditi have chazigi ngosum but driven have driven perfect ngorwa car tenzin will not have driven car tangcha dugmare le chuara tangcha yo mare le dirtarwa chikba chikyang they helping verb will negative to enchidula not have drunk coffee they will not have drunk coffee coffee khare sangi nangi bodula mongbal khunjo coffee tungcha yu dugmare le chuara okay next thiwa chwe baina khandi gorlena helping verb tingela che subject helping verb le chain chang ani perfect to enchidula have tang third form of verb ani object ra will subject the tenzin have driven have lab chaziki ngosum but driven have driven car will tenzin have driven car by tomorrow sangi badu tenzin gi moda tang cha rugu rowe la de che will they have drunk have chaziki ngosum but drink ga drunk coffee will they have drunk coffee kunjo gi coffee tung cha ro cha rugu rewes khadu bado by the evening ra chiru bado coffee tung cha rugu rowe la de che tadi thiwa double interrogative khare khante la wh6 shower regina khadu la gorwa when will Tenzin have driven car khadu badu tang cha du re le jur ra yana when lan da da thanda kho ta ma de jur why la or khare jin tang cha du res ani where will they have drunk coffee kunjo coffee tung cha du ro la ding anju ki khante la ga la na khawa le de la or ra ani double interrogative thiwa where le de sha where will they have drunk coffee khawa la kunjo ki tung cha du yo re la jur ra ti ke cha de cha